Play this record as frequently as possible.
Now let's take a trip. Let's sit back and light a slip with this and don't slip on the fucking dope track. Jump back, strapped with the fat Buddha sack in a 7-8 black, don't clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dub like it ain't no thing. It's so sweet when you got money to spend. I got a proper big trip and a fly big Benz. I make ends, spend my dough on no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to the players that I know is real G. All around the motherfucker stuck in your bitch, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blunt, let me roll it. You get the boat back to the host back, keep your dope back, or you might get what we call a rat crack. I get the girl by the Scanish trick. Let me hit it one time, the trick that's it, but don't trip. Gives my dope to no foe. That's how it is, I got no love for ya. And tell us motherfuckers can't see that it's the frame they call. You stupid bitches fast the pussy free. So tell me why you sweat a motherfucker like me. A young nigga tryna hustle up some G's. You pussy ass player hating hoes, speaking down on niggas, jumping around at the shows. And you the first motherfucker to jump to the truck when it's time for fun. Dump up on fools with a quickness, and they got no cure for this sickness. I get paid for the way that I kick this, like a G-star, an OG-star. A real player named Easy, and I live my life straight crazy.
Hey, drop that shit for these fuck niggas.
Paying me, and broke groupies and hoochies don't faze me. I take 2 steps back and release myself to put platinum and gold on a record shelf. I don't brag, but I tell it like a straight up is. Before you do a record, partner, handle your business. And tell me what does it take to be a cheat? I started with a cold ounce of bounce to a key. You gotta watch your backstage shot, be alert. Started as a young motherfucker doing dirt, and now I'm in the rap game, not the trap game. I got enemies. Can't begin to see my friends and not my enemies. And even some motherfuckers wanna have fun. Stuck in fucking my motherfucking random. What does it take to be a cheat? Violence is a must, violence is a plus. Plus, shots at my adversaries. Them niggas sorry, but it's time to be bust. Cause I be fucking in the fucking hunt.
They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why you fuck with thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. No, they give us guns and drugs, then wonder why you fuck with thugs.
TBS 23 Block and Dream Live.